Students, welcome to DA Moyle Public School, Sita Sawangi. Here is your English teacher, Mr. Gajanan sir, and today we are going to do punctuation, the most important part of our grammar section. Students, without punctuation, you can't frame the sentence correctly. So, punctuation is very much essential to write a correct English. Okay? So, what are the basic things that you have to keep in your mind? Now, let's see. Okay? The word punctuation has been derived from the Latin word punctuum, which means a point, a stop. A punctuation marks divides a sentence or a paragraph in a clear and understandable language. Okay? Whenever you frame the sentence, if you put a correct punctuation mark, automatically the sentence gives you a meaningful idea. So that's why punctuation marks are very much important. Okay, so you have to keep this in your mind. Now let's see which are the different principles that come into punctuation marks. You know, student, full stop, you are well known about it. Punctuation, full stop, then semicolon, question mark, dash, parentheses or brackets, comma, colon, exclamation mark, hyphen, and inverted commas. So students, see the symbols properly, because if you use the symbol in correct order, means in wrong way, the meaning of the sentence can be changed. So try to learn it by heart, means what is meant, you know, question mark, exclamatory mark, comma, but you have to carefully see the symbol of semicolon, dash and inverted commas and hyphen, that you have to keep in your mind. So see it properly and learn it by heart. Okay student, now let's see what is meant by full stop and how to use full stop. At the end of a declarative and a imperative sentence, for example, water is precious. Okay, so this is an example. So you can give different type of examples. Okay, so whenever you use any assertive sentence, after the completion of the sentence you have to use full stop. Any universal truth also, the earth moves around the sun. Okay, honesty is the best policy. So such type of sentences you have to use full stop at the end of the sentence. After certain abbreviations and initials, for example, AM, MP, PM, USA, MS Dhoni, CV Raman. Okay, so you have to use full stop. Now let's see what means where to use comma. We use a comma while listing a series of things or phrases. A series is a list of 3 or more things. We usually add and before the last item on a list. We do so, comma, we do not add a comma before and. Okay, whenever you use the word and, you can't use comma. Okay, example C, we need to buy oranges, comma, mangoes and apple. Okay, so students, these are some of the basic things, and in next class we will continue the different type of rest of these areas, colon, then exclamation mark, hyphen. So whatever rules are given in our book as well as here also, whatever I have explained to you, learn it by heart and try to solve these questions. Okay, end the sentence with correct punctuation mark. Okay, so this is the end of our today's class. Thank you and have a happy day.